Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many car owners ponder about: buying car keys online. Is it a safe choice or a potential security risk? Let's get some insights from a locksmith's perspective. First up, the burning question: is it okay to buy your auto keys online? We'll be exploring the potential pitfalls and risks associated with purchasing car keys over the internet. Stick around for some eye-opening insights. Let's be honest, the internet can be a wild place. The potential pitfalls of buying car keys online are numerous, from questionable product quality to the risk of dealing with unverified sellers. The online marketplace is not without its dangers. Stick around as we uncover some eye-opening insights into the risks associated with this seemingly convenient option. Unverified sellers might promise the moon, but do they deliver? Low-quality products and poor craftsmanship can leave you stranded and frustrated, not to mention the security risks of providing your car's information to less than reputable sources. It's a maze out there, and we're here to help you navigate through it. Where is the safest place to buy car keys? Not all sources are created equal, and we're here to guide you on what to look for to ensure you're getting a reliable product without compromising your vehicle's security. When it comes to ensuring the security and reliability of your car keys, reputable locksmith shops stand out as a beacon of trust. Let's explore why they are often considered the safest choice for obtaining your car keys. First and foremost, reputable locksmith shops prioritize your security. These establishments often have a long-standing reputation in the community, and their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is unmatched. One of the significant advantages of choosing a reputable locksmith shop is the presence of skilled professionals. These experts have the knowledge and experience to create precise and secure duplicates, ensuring that your new key functions seamlessly with your vehicle. When seeking a reliable locksmith with a proven track record, consider Sure Lock Key LLC. Our locksmiths hold industry-recognized certifications, showcasing our commitment to excellence and adherence to the highest standards. Trust Sure Lock Key for all your locksmithing needs, where expertise meets reliability. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more locksmith insights, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay secure. Contact us today and make the wise choice for your car key needs.